Hello everyone. In this video, let's examine the love traits of Gemini man. A date with a Gemini man is an unforgettable experience. He is quick-witted, charming, and genuinely interested in his companion. Generous and imaginative, he knows the best places to go and the most exciting things to see. Women are naturally drawn to his vibrant energy and zest for life. However, like moths to a flame, they often find their time with him fleeting. Trying to pin down a Gemini man is futile. Picture a bright butterfly fluttering in a garden. It's a living marvel, not meant to be captured. Enjoy the moments you have with him because they are likely to be brief. Ruled by Mercury, the Gemini man has a genuine love for women, which is one of his secrets to success in relationships. He is deeply interested in women's thoughts, how their minds work, and what he can learn from them. But he also needs fun in his relationships. When the fun fades, so does he. Just as a woman starts to take him seriously, the Gemini man often disappears. He is uneasy with too much emotion and doesn't take love too seriously. For him, sex is fascinating because it is ever renewing while love feels finite. Interestingly, Gemini men often find themselves drawn to intense, emotional women even though they rarely stay involved for long. These women intrigue him because they live dramatically and express their emotions fully, offering him a glimpse into a facet of himself he hopes to understand. If you ask why he flirts from one woman to another, he will say he is searching for his identity, the perfect love, or some elusive ideal of perfection. Born under the sign of the twins, he is looking for his astral twin, a spiritual soulmate who will complete him and end his inner duality. Falling for a Gemini man is easy because he is a master of seduction. Many women start a friendly relationship with him, finding him nice and seemingly unaggressive, only to end up in bed with him without quite knowing how it happened. Sometimes he appears uninterested or even pursues someone else, making you work harder to attract his attention. By the time you realize what's happening, he has already captured your interest. As a lover, he is imaginative, confident, and stylish, but he might not seem fully committed. His attention is often divided, always partly occupied elsewhere. While a romance with him will be intriguing and exciting, it may not withstand difficult times. The initial excitement can wear off and the relationship might fizzle out. Yet, even when the flame dies down, there are no regrets. Knowing a Gemini man is a fascinating experience that leaves a lasting impression. In summary, a Gemini man is a captivating and elusive partner. He brings excitement and charm to any relationship, but his needs for constant stimulation and aversion to deep emotional commitments make long-term relationships challenging. If you are ready for a whirlwind romance filled with lively conversation and unforgettable moments, enjoy the time you have with this charming and intriguing man. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to seeing you in future videos. Until then, goodbye and namaste.